So welcome friends and welcome to the next session of these solutions. And today's class will start from question number 11. And question number 11 is a direction ratio of the line x minus 2 by 2 equal to 2y minus 5y minus 3 equal to z plus 1 by z. Okay, so in solution we can write, we know that equation of any line passing through 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is x1, y1, z1 x2, y2, z2 point देखिए जो स्टेटमेंट पास करतो तार इक्वेशन होची x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Okay, so ये होची general form of equation of a straight line in 3D form. Again हम जानिछु the direction ratio of a line passing through 2 points. Again we know that direction ratio of a line passing through 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is the direction same side. We have x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This is direction. Okay, so we can write this A, this is B and this is C. Okay, so if x2 minus x1 is A, y2 minus y1 is B and z2 minus z1 is C, where A, B, C are direct ratio, then clearly you have x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is a constant. This is A, this is B, this is C. So from the above equation easily we can find the direction ratio. So therefore DRS are how much? 2 minus 3 and 0. This is option 1. Next problem. The next problem is the plane 2x minus y plus 8z equal to 5 and 10x minus 5y plus 40z equal to 12 are this. ये दीटा प्लेन पर देखिए किमिति हम गेस कर पाएगा वा प्रेडिक्ट कर पाएगा जे पैरेलल अछन दीटा पर परपेंडिकुलर बा y एक्सिस इंटरसेक्ट होचन बा पॉइंट दे ए पॉइंट दे लास्ट ऑप्शन जोटा x और y और 0 जगह जब पुट कर दो तो 12 जदि हो तो हे पारे सो ये 3/10 हमें जो चेक कर दो कौन सी प्लेन ले 80 प्लेन ले 80 प्लेन ले ताली तो वो 0 पुट कर x is equal to 0 y is equal to 0 0 plus 0 is 0 now 40 into 3/10 this is 12 8 by satisfied. So 8 by A is 0, A is 0, 8 into 3 by 10, 8 into 3 by 10, 8 into Z. So yes, 2, 4, 2, 5. Right? So now 12 by 5, it is 5. So satisfied for me, right? So our option D is the first result is easy. Then we will solution will come both easy things. Straight line now plane the bakha similar one. प्लेन टा 3D रे पढ़ा जाउछ स्ट्रेट लाइन टा हमर 2D रे पढ़ा जाउछ 3 पॉइंट स्ट्रेट लाइन भी 3D रे पढ़ा जाउछ किंतु जनरल हमर जो लीनियर साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन गुडा अछि ax plus by plus c0 और a1x plus b1 by c1 0 a2x b2 by c2 like this से गुडा रे जेंते हमें दिल लाइन पैरेलल कंडीशन जेंते हमर पिला a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not is equal to c1 by c2 two lines L1 and L2 are parallel, right? So यार तो just similar way से then ये problem इस मुंडा कुछ करिया नहीं हम यदि follow करेगा कहीं line out plane similar ताले ये वाला line parallel so for parallel planes मो पकड़े plane equation ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to z तीनटा वेरिएबल भाई now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is not equal to b1 by b2 it is like इक्वेशन को पैरेलल प्लेन्स राइट जो फ्रेंड इंटरसेक्ट कर दिस द कंडीशन तो ये कंडीशन अच्छी ये कंडीशन पर मैच कर दो हम आंसर पाई a1/2 2/10 is 1/5 minus 1 minus 1/5 8/40 is 1/5 this is 5/12 not equal right so ये बिल्कुल एक कंडीशन को सैटिस्फाई करूची अब जब एक कंडीशन को सैटिस्फाई करूची टू प्लेन्स टू प्रॉपर पैरेलल प्लेन दिस मींस टू प्लेन्स आर पैरेलल these two planes are parallel okay this is the solution and next question now question number 13 so let 3 4 minus 1 and minus 1 2 3 are the end points of the diameter of the sphere then the radius of the sphere is this so what is sphere let's see let this is sphere and this is sphere this is the center of the sphere and the diameter of the sphere then this is the diameter and end points the coordinate of end points of diameter are given here minus 1 2 3 and this and you have to find the radius means let this point is O this is A and this is B either you have to find OA or OB okay so first of all find the coordinate of O when AB is diameter then O and O is center okay then O is also midpoint of the diameter AB now जेहेतु AB व्यास अच्छी diameter अच्छी तो what a midpoint तो overall coordinate को midpoint formula use करेंगे x1 plus x2 by this 3 minus 1 by 2 4 plus 2 by 2 right and minus 1 plus 3 by 2 ये ना midpoint formula by 2 है x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2 so which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 2 by 2 is 1 4 plus 2 is 6 6 by 2 is 3 and 2 by 2 is 1 now 1 3 1 this is the coordinate of center of the sphere so once we get the coordinate of center easily we can find the radius how it is possible the radius OA therefore radius OA or OB radius OA is simply nothing it is distance between 2 points now we have 1 minus 3 square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 and z2 whole square root of is it so which is equal to 1 minus 3 2 square 4 3 minus 4 is minus 1 square 1 again 1 plus 1 this is 2 2 square again 4 root over so 4 plus 4 8 plus 9 square root is equal to 3 that option C is like this okay right and ready for next question the next question is the locus of the equation x square y square z square plus 4 equal to 0 is an empty set a sphere pair of planes none तो ये जो इक्वेशन अच्छी ये तार locus कौन actually locus term locus means the path traced out by the points तो किसी point दिए जो path है तो what a circle is what a locus a straight line is also locus so every locus satisfies some given geometrical conditions now what is the locus of this line? It is simply equation of a sphere. It looks like the equation of a sphere because we know that the equation of a sphere is x square y square z square 2ux 2 vy 2 wz plus t equal to 0. So जो कि x square y square z square अच्छी ux vy wz plus d equal to 0. Okay. In fact हम बतरे यदि हम sphere का equation करेंगे equation of the sphere तारमो मते x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square यूनिट अछि ये पर्टिकुलर इस स्फीयर सेंटर टा अर्जी लगता है तो एटा भी दिन सिंपली करी पट राइट साइड जो -4 स्क्वायर विथ इमेजिनरी नंबर है इमेजिनरी एस्ट्रोरेडियस बट से स्फीयर टा हम इमेजिनरी स्फीयर कर देगा ओके तेनु ये जो इक्वेशन टा देछि से गोटे स्फीयर इक्वेशन सहित मैच करूछि बिकॉज़ इट इज सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन एंड सेकंड डिग्री एवरी सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट a sphere, right? So in this form, so therefore it is the locus of an sphere, right? This is the locus of an sphere because it is satisfying the equation of the sphere, and the equation of the sphere is this is when center is at origin we have also another equation of sphere. Another equation of sphere is x square y square z square 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So x square y square z square is equal. तो तब हमें देखिए हमें सिंपल है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question is given that f and x is equal to 1 by n sin nx plus cos nx. X belongs to real number and n is greater than equal to 1. Then you have to find the value f4x minus f6x. So first of all find f4x. First of all find f4x. f4x. f4x means f and s. So for n equal to 4. Now I can write this is equal to 1 by 4. Put 4 in place of n. Sin 4x plus cos 4x. Okay. Now using formula, algebraical formula, just expand it. 1 by 4 is equal to, this can be written as which is equal to 1 by 4 sin square x square plus cos square x square, right? Now we can use a square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 3, which is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 into a into b, right? Okay, so a plus b whole square minus this, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 sin square plus cos square is 1 square is 1 minus 2 x square y square x square. Again find f6x which is equal to 1 by 6 into sin 6x plus cos 6x, okay, which is equal to 1 by 6 into, you can write sin square q plus cos square qx, right? So using aq plus bq formula, a plus b of b minus 3ab into a plus b, which is equal to 1 by 6 into a plus b. This means whole cube sin square x plus cos square x minus 3ab sin square x into cos square x minus 3ab into a plus b sin square x plus cos square x, right? So again use sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 6 into 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x, right? Because this is also 1. The value of this is 1 into this is 1, this is 1, q is 1. Okay. Now we get for f4x and f6x. So therefore f4x minus f6x is equal to this minus this minus this 1 by 4 multiply कर दीजिए 1 by 4 into 2. This is also 1 minus 1 by 2, right? Minus 1 by 2 x square y square minus this, so minus 1 by 6 because this minus this minus this minus 1 by 6 minus minus plus 1 by 6 into 3 1 by 2 sin square plus square plus square. Okay, now this minus and plus cancel. is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. LCM 12. So 3 minus 2. 1 by 12 is the right answer. Yes, option B is the right answer. Next problem. So next question, the number of solutions of tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2 cos theta. देखो हम सॉल्व करेगा तो आपने नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन चेक करेगा. सॉल्यूशन है tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2 cos theta. Now tan theta is sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta, or which implies that 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta, or 1 plus sin theta by equal to 2 cos square theta, or which implies that 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 minus 2 sin square theta, because cos square is 1 minus sin square. But side to is 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Left hand is okay. So here sin theta is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 into a into c by 2a, okay, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 8 plus 1 9, square root of 9 is 3 by 4, minus 1 plus 3 by 4, or minus 1 minus 3 by 4. Now minus 1 plus 3 by 4 is 2 by 4 is half. Right, and minus 1 minus 3 by 4 is which is equal to minus 4 by 4 minus 1. Right, so first one is your half and second is minus 1. Now sin theta is this. Sin theta is this. Now just use the graph. Use the graph. Okay, pi by 2 into 1 which is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi plus pi by 2 3 pi by 2 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is 2 pi like this. ये left side in the theory. Okay, so the graph of sin is like this. This point is your 1 point because sin, the value of sin 90 degree is 1, and it will again go like this and like this. This is the graph of sin. Okay. The graph of sin. Now sin theta is equal to, we have the solution half. So if 1 is this, then half is this point, this is half. 1 by 2. Okay. So clearly we have two solutions. First at this point, second is at this point. We have two solutions. When sin theta is half, okay, and when sin theta is minus 1, we know that this is minus 1. This is minus 1. This value is minus 1. So the number of solution is 1 because the value of this is sin 90, 1 is sin 270. So for half this and for 1 this, point of intersection is number of solutions. Okay, half is the graph half intersect at this point. So clearly we have three visible points. 1, 2, for value half there is 2 points, and for minus 1 point. 1, 2, 3. Therefore number of solutions equal to 3. Okay. Next question. So the value of cot cosec inverse 5 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. तो ये पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम को मत ही टोटल टाକୁ tan inverse से कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. So that हम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करते हैं. cot of cot inverse नले tan of tan inverse सिंपल पॉसिबल है. मो पाखे अछि सॉल्यूशन में लिखली cot cosec inverse 5 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. तो cosec inverse को tan inverse से कन्वर्ट करें तो तार प्रोसीजर मु लॉन्ग टर्म अच्छी और शॉर्ट बते दूसरी लेट cosec inverse 5 by 3 is equal to theta. Now cosec theta is equal to 5 by 3. We know that cosec theta is h by p. Now you can count h is equal to 5, p is equal to this, then b is equal to h square minus p square root over. We can directly find this 4. So when b is 3 and b is 4, then tan theta is p by b. This means 3 by 4 and theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Now theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 once. Now theta is equal to cosec inverse 5 by 3. So sin theta. तो मु लिखि परिबी सब्स्टिट्यूट करके आपको tan लिख परिबी. Now we have which is equal to cot of tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Now using tan inverse x plus tan inverse y we have which is equal to cot of we have tan inverse formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy which is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Tan inverse, right? Now it is equal to cot of tan inverse. This is LCM is 12. 12 3 plus 3 9 plus 8. Is it? Divided by again this is also LCM here also 12 and 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. Now this 12 cancel. This 12 cancel. So we get 17 by 6. So which is equal to cot of tan inverse 17 by 6. Now which is equal to cot of cot inverse 6 by 17. Okay, because therefore tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. A inverse is there. Again cot of cot inverse x is equal to x, which is equal to 6 by 7. Right? Cot of cot inverse x is equal to x. So the answer is option A. Next problem. The next problem, in a triangle ABC, A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3B by 2. Then those sides ABC are in tangents. So it is given अच्छी ताले ABC with relation कौन सी तो फास्ट हमको solve करना पड़ेगा. पहले हमें ABC से relation बात करें. A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3B by 2. Okay, तो मु जो फॉर्मूला है मोर cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 or 2 cos square x is equal to 1 cos 2x and 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 cos x. Now cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x by 2 cos square x by 2. Now you can use the same formula here. A cos square c by 2 1 plus cos c by 2 plus c into 1 plus cos a by 2 is equal to 3b by, which implies that multiply कर a plus a cos c by 2 plus c plus this is small side c and this is angle c. C cos A, okay, divided by 2 is equal to 3B by, which implies that add A plus C, LCM is 2, LCM is 2, A plus C plus A cos C plus C cos A. A plus C plus A cos C plus C cos A is equal to 3B by 2. Now cancelling 2 and 2. Okay, now here the most important thing is that the value of a cos c plus c cos a. The value of a cos c plus c cos a. It is equal to b using projection formula. Properties of triangular projection formula we use it. पहले a cos b plus b cos a is equal to c. And c cos a plus c cos b plus b cos c is equal to c1. These are sides. Okay, projection formula of numbers. So here they are multiplied a cos c plus this is b, which implies that a plus c plus b is equal to 3b. Right? Here they are substitute b. A plus c plus b 2 to what is 3b. Now a plus c is equal to 3b minus 2b is 2b. So it is going to increase, which implies that a minus b is equal to c minus b. B minus c. Okay, a minus b is equal to b minus c, or b minus a is equal to c minus b also. If b minus a is equal to c minus b, if b minus a is equal to c minus b, then a, b, c are in AP. Then a, b, c are in AP. Very important. B minus c is equal to c minus a. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are in AP because 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 8 minus 6. Okay, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. So that the empty these are the numbers are in AP. Then we can say 2, 4, 6 are in AP. Okay, so the option is A. Next problem. The next problem is a differential equation given as C, px square plus qy square is equal to 4, p of q arbitrary constant. Then the solution, this is the solution of the differential equation, not differential equation, but a differential equation solution given as. ताले से कोई जो solution of C, से जो differential equation ये solution से differential equation का 4 degree of कोड़ा, ताले मुझे solution और differential equation का create कर दिया है solution. Solution लिख ली और over direct अच्छी p x square plus q y square is equal to 4 अच्छी. Now differentiating with respect to x both sides. ताले ये गला p into 2x plus q into 2y dy by dx is equal to derivative for each 0. Next, taking two common, we have px plus qy dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 1. Again differentiating with respect to x both sides. Again differentiate value px of derivative p. Okay, plus here we differentiating with respect to x. This is first case and this is second case, second time. Plus q into first into derivative of second, first into dy dx of dy by dx. This is d square y by dx square. Using same first into derivative second for second into derivative first. Second is dy by dx into derivative first is dy by dx of y, again dy by dx. So which is equal to write q here whole square of dy by dx. So dy by dx into dy by dx. Q to 18 multiply by 18 make a sample. Which is equal to 0. Okay. Now p is equal to minus qy d square y by dx square. Side to negative. Minus q dy by dx whole square. P is equal to this. So let this is 2. Now putting the value of 2 in 1. Here we put कर दे. P रे जो value डाल से 8 put कर दे. x into something. तो हम pi के difference. Okay. Putting 2 in 1. So p into x into x into p into we get minus q xy d square y by dx square. Move p so p into x into p, x into this minus q x dy by dx whole square तो px सब काम सरीगला plus qy अछि plus qy dy by dx is equal to 0 moi total minus q common नै अछि minus q common नै पकड़ रहला xy d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y dy by dx equal to 0 एटी क्यू h2 तो क्यू बाय 0 आएगा तो वर्तमान कंपैरेटिव डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आसी जहार मैक्सिमम ऑर्डर होची सेकंड ऑर्डर d स्क्वायर बाय dx के लिखाई छी आ जो सेकंड ऑर्डर अछि तार एटे स्क्वायर का कोड आई थिंक दिस इज स्क्वायर दिस इज आल्सो स्क्वायर जहार मैक्सिमम ऑर्डर अछि सेकंड ऑर्डर और सेकंड ऑर्डर रा डिग्री होची केते 1 एटी dy by dx तार डिग्री 2 अछि किंतु एटा हमर डिग्री नो then यार maximum order or maximum order degree maximum order is 2 and this degree is second order first degree this is second order first degree okay so question number 20 we differential equation problem is तो हम सॉल्व करें y dx plus x plus x square y dy is equal to 0 छी तो मैं initially dy divide कर दूँ okay so dividing by dy we have y dx by dy plus ये divide by divide x plus x square y is equal to 0 okay dividing by dy both sides right divide again x square y what is it mu x square y divide again x square y by x square y dx by dy is equal to x plus x square y by x square sorry plus x square y by x square y is equal to 0 now this is 1 by x square dx by dy plus this 1 by xy plus this by this plus this by this is 1 is equal to 0 एटू सब्स्टिट्यूट करिवि पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम रे काई केटी वेरिएबल सेपरेट ले करूनी मु सब्स्टिट्यूट करिवि 1 by x को करिवि 1 by x को सब्स्टिट्यूट कले तार डेरिवेटिव 1 by x करिवि putting 1 by x is equal to t now differentiating with respect to y dy of 1 by x is equal to dt by dy. Now d by dy of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square into dx by dy is equal to dt by dy. Now 1 by x square dx by dy this will dt by dy 1 by x square dx by dt by dy this will minus dt by dy plus 1 by xy plus 1 is equal to 0. मैं डबल सब्स्टिट्यूट माइनस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ which implies that dt by dy plus 1 by xy sorry minus 1 by xy is equal to ये माइनस राइट से प्लस 1 है ताले ये फॉर्मेट आसेगा dy by dx plus dy is equal to q फॉर्मेट आसेगा so you can say this p is equal to minus 1 by y and q is equal to 1 now I integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx this is equal to e to the power integration of p dx e to the power integration sorry p dy now e to the power integration of minus 1 by y dy e to the power minus log y or e to the power log y to the power minus 1 is equal to y to the power minus 1 or 1 by now after getting if therefore its solution is t into if which is equal to integration of q into if dy plus c now t is how much 1 by x into if is 1 by y is equal to q is 1 into if again 1 by y dy plus c, okay, which implies that 1 by xy is equal to integration of d 1 by y dy is log y plus c, okay, 1 by xy is equal to log y plus. Now is there option 1 by xy is equal to log y plus c. Written is this because 1 minus 1 by xy right side equal to 1 by xy into half c का constant left side असले minus constant का constant plus और minus से difference होता है. Okay, so the right answer is this. Okay, so next part we'll discuss some more questions. Thank you.